How is that thing still in fucking air?
Which one you shooting at?
The little bird.
Beard, do you need 9mm?
Yeah.
Well, Pest
No,
just...
9.3.
Alright.
It's a big ass belt for these machine guns.
Dude, you know there's stuff on the roofs of all of these buildings?
What's that?
There's stuff up on the roofs of all of these buildings.
Sometimes.
But I'm up on the roof of one of them, looking at the top of the three nearest to us, and they've all got shit on the roof. There's something on the box. Ooh. Oh, toast! The pilot just got it in the face.
Nah.
Good job, man. Which one was that?
The little bird. Oh no, the pilot's... No, it might be the co-pilot. Oh no, he's in his parachute floating down dead, I think.
Ooh, that chopper went down like a bitch.
Did you see the... Watch him a sec, you'll see the guy in the parachute land dead.
Oh yeah, I see him. You're just firing at his ass.